కాంగ్రెస్ నేత రాహుల్ గాంధీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Very important that we aggressively do vaccinations and cross this bridge of 100% vaccination as soon as possible, because that is the only protection. So I now welcome your questions.
Thank you, sir. Before we take questions, sir, we will also like to know from you, maybe hear from you, sir, very briefly, as to where lies the future, sir, and what steps really the government of India take to ameliorate the existing pain. And then, sir, we'll take questions.
We've had this white paper is a discussion that has taken place within the Congress structure, and we've had discussions with the experts, and we have basically developed 4 pillars. One pillar, of course, is the idea of understanding exactly what went wrong, which is the foundation of the white paper. And our suggestion there is to have a commission that looks into some of the shortcomings so we can correct them. Second pillar, as I've already said, is preparation for the third wave, which includes developing the critical infrastructure, which includes oxygen, which includes these other elements. Third pillar, again, that we've been repeating again and again and again, is the idea of an economic assistance package. COVID is not just a biological phenomenon. It is also an economic and social phenomenon. And that is why we have to make sure that the poorest people, the weakest people, small and medium businesses are provided the support that they need to get through it. And the fourth and final element is a COVID compensation fund, where we give money to people who have lost loved ones, where we commit to them support of the Indian nation and say that, look, we stand with you in this difficult time. Randeep ji, मैं हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ. व्हाइट पेपर का लक्ष्य एक प्रकार से रास्ता दिखाने का है. हमने 4 मेन पॉइंट्स निकाले. पहला पॉइंट जो मैंने बोला, जो तीसरी वेव आने वाली है उसकी तैयारी, ऑक्सीजन, हॉस्पिटल बेड्स, क्रिटिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, दवाइयां, इन चीजों का आज प्रिपरेशन, कि जब थर्ड वेव आए हिंदुस्तान के हर शहर में अस्पताल, गांव में जो सपोर्ट की जरूरत है वो सब तैयार मिले. जिन लोगों को ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत हो उनको आसानी से ऑक्सीजन मिल जाए, और बिना कोई कारण डेथ ना हो. जो नीडलेस डेथ है, जो एक प्रकार से लाखों लोग नीडलेसली मरे हैं सेकेंड वेव में, वो फिर से ना हो. दूसरा पॉइंट, कोविड सिर्फ बायोलॉजिकल बीमारी नहीं है, कोविड इकोनॉमिक सोशल बीमारी है. और इसलिए हमने सरकार को सबसे गरीब लोगों को, छोटे बिजनेसेस को, मिडिल साइज बिजनेसेस को आर्थिक सहायता देने की जरूरत है. हमने एक न्याय का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है. अगर नाम प्रधानमंत्री को अच्छा नहीं लगे उसका नाम बदल दें, बट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट कि गरीबों के जेब में, गरीबों के घर में हम डायरेक्ट फंड्स पहुंचाएं. और चौथा जो हमारा पिलर है कि एक कोविड कॉम्पेंसेशन फंड बनाया जाए. जिन परिवारों के घर में जो ब्रेड अर्नर्स हैं, उनकी मृत्यु हुई है, उनका कॉम्पेंसेशन दिया जाए, उनको डायरेक्ट कोविड फंड